EGLE box shipping, EGLE. With EGLE box shipping, we can see where I marked in red their lowest points over the last 2 years. They've risen up to past the $32 mark, and they've stayed above the 32. They've went up into the 40s many times and came back down. I think around this $39 to $40 mark is probably going to be their new bottom and their new bottom low. One of the things to look at is as we go into higher shipping for goods and services and stuff that we need going into Thanksgiving in November, and then we get through Christmas in December, New Year's, and we get through the first part of the year with colder weather setting in and more products being needed, and you see inflation go up and the cost of goods go up. You can definitely see that's coming from our shipping going up. So the shipping department, EGLE, EGLE box shipping, sits in a pretty good place where I could see that by December you can see them be at that $55 to $75 range going into the turn of the year. That I would expect that by January, February, you're going to see them head back towards that $7,500 mark at some point. That will be based on some Q4 results. With the Q3 results for 2021 earnings conference call November 5th, they had a record earnings for the quarter with net income totaling $78 million or $6.12 per share. It was the best ever annual result. When we look at that happened on November 5th, so we're looking at this on November 10th, 2021, that they're at $39.97 a share. Dividends come out on November 12th. The cash dividend policy equal to a minimum of 30% of EGLE's net income based on the third quarter results of $2 per share. When we look at bank debt maturity is 2026. So 2027 could be a major boom in the company. Looking ahead into Q4 for 2021, exceeding this quarter's performance in Q4. So Q4 is expected to be higher than Q3's reportings. If we look at $32,400 per day, through the first 9 months, they need a break-even level of $11,000. That gives $19,400 per ship per day. With Q3 being a record $91 million over the last 3 months ending September 30th, we can look at Q4 2021 that they might be able to break $100 million when Q4 2021 reports. They have 53 ships. If it's a hard winter, inflation and prices keep increasing, you could see the Q4 break $100 million, where then as they enter and we get into 2022 and they report the Q1 for 2022, I would estimate that being the highest quarter for them. In my eyes, EGLE bulk shipping will definitely rise up through 2022 and have a good run. I would keep this one on your watch radar. And remember, I'm a blue-collar worker just paying it forward with DD. Make sure you go in, do as much homework and research on these companies as you can. Look back and see where things were restructured, how many ships they have, the age of the ships, how long they can last in dry bulk, what they're buying, what they're transporting. And I would think with the technology and everything that they're putting in, the revamping of the ships, their ships are going to last for a while. They're going to stay in service. They've secured the loans to make sure that they have the funding. So with this company, it's one worth checking out and doing your research on. Hope everyone has a good day and a good 11/11.